Welcome to the D4 Guns YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, this is where we take a closer look at some of the cool guns we get into our inventory, some rare and collectible stuff, as well as some of the more common items. But we take a closer look, and you can check out photos on our website, good close-up photos of these. They're worth taking a look. Today we're taking a look at a couple of matching set of Winchester Centennial 66s, one with a 20-inch barrel and one with a 26-inch barrel. Pardon. These are in good condition. There is some scuffing and scratches. This one, or the 20-inch here, is in great condition. Some scratches on the receiver. In certain light it's hard to see, but this is chambered in 30-30. Everything is functioning. The bore is in great condition. It looks like it's never been shot. On the back strap here, we have the Winchester Centennial 66, and on the barrel we have a century of leadership, 1866 to 1966. The other is the 26-inch barrel, octagonal as well. This one has a little bit more damage on the receiver, just some scuffs and scratches, and looks like some aging on here. May not have been treated as well. There's a little bit of rust on the top of the action, but otherwise is still in great condition for a rifle made in 1966. People don't always take care of their guns, so, but we do have some scratches that look like they were on the wood here. Otherwise, same thing. The bore is in fantastic condition. Looks like it's never been shot. And their serial numbers coincide with each other. One is 81652 in the 20-inch. Is 81653. So go ahead and take a closer look on our website at these rifles. They'll be up and ready to go by the time you can see this video.